So I would say the best thing about the Welsh course here at Wales Millennium Centre is the interaction that we've got. We've got a group of 18 people from different areas of Wales Millennium Centre, and they are coming together every week for 30 weeks to test their skills, to learn new words, to learn new sentences, and that is then contagious, not just that Wednesday, but for the rest of the week, because we're speaking with each other and having conversations. The members of staff benefit from the course in their work and their own departments because we are now, we're branching out with the number of bilingual Welsh speakers in the organisation, and this helps to liaise and have conversations with customers, with performers, and outside of work. That is really helpful for themselves. This course fits in with Wales Millennium Centre's Welsh language commitment in a huge way. It helps provide our own people with the confidence and the skills to have conversations with people walking through our doors, whether they be customers, whether they be everyday meetings, or the Welsh productions that we have on our stages. It just helps grow the language within the organisation. I'm going to give a brief overview of how our lessons run here at Wales Millennium Centre. So I'm not exaggerating in any way if I say from day one there was absolutely an excitement to our Welsh language courses. It really helps in the lead up to this. We've got 18 people who attend the course, and in the lead up to this I was very aware that the commitment was for 30 weeks. So in the lead up, I made sure that I had conversations with the individuals who would put their names down to attend the course, but equally having conversations with their own departments and their managers to ensure that I had that commitment. The courses are exciting and engaging. We're sitting down, we're standing up, we're having conversations. We're kind of picking up little tricks along the way to understand how the words work together, fit in conversations, and we're surprising ourselves. The tutor is engaging. He's just got a way of delivering it in a way that we needed it to be delivered. These courses bring our staff members together and engage in a better way. So these are, they're cross-functional, they're departments from across the organisation. So, we've got finance, we've got HR, we've got arts and creative, we've got front of house, food and beverage. And it helps to provide an interaction where we lean on each other. We lean on each other in the best way to help each other to kind of grow and develop our skills. So it's been a really useful, engaging experience that creates an excitement for the next week. I hope that this course will help to deliver a better service to anyone who's walking through our door, because it gives a choice for individuals to have conversations in Welsh, and also for our customers to feel comfortable that they've got the choice to have those same conversations. The process for setting up the course was quite straightforward. I had conversations in the lead up with Dysgu Cymraeg Caerdydd, and the team there were able to adapt the courses to suit our needs. We needed it on certain days, we needed it at certain times, and it was really helpful to understand what our own commitment was for our own people attending the course. And then that led on to making sure that we had the availability of people, we had the buy-in from the managers to ensure that they would attend, but it was very adaptable to help it grow in a way that suited us. I see the course developing for us, that we will go on and we will develop the group that we have at the moment onto the next level, which is really helpful. But equally, at the same time, we would like to bring in a new group of people, which again grows our population of Welsh speakers at Wales Millennium Centre, and looking at bespoke options of where we need smaller groups to kind of grow their skills. So any advice I'd give to any organisation signing up to this course is to speak to your own people, understand their needs and their requirements, understand the different groups of skills that are available and where you would like to grow. And then having those conversations with Dysgu Cymraeg Caerdydd. The team there are really helpful. And just understanding also the commitment that your organisation needs to ensure that they're kind of seeing themselves through the course from start to finish.